Hello everyone. I welcome you all to this newest channel on the YouTube, which we have named as Directions. And what we plan to do is to upload on this channel a series of videos to help us negotiate the pathways of life. And as a first step towards that end, we have selected the subject of parenting, for which we have compiled a comprehensive step-by-step guide that will be disseminated through a series of videos and which we hope will be helpful to equip both present and the future parents with enough knowledge to undertake their responsibility of upbringing their children in a manner that they become the most useful members of the society. We sincerely hope that by the end of the series, we would have achieved that objective. So may I request everybody to stay tuned for the first video of the series. And here we go. The importance of parenting for the well-being of children and society cannot be overstated. Parents play a crucial role in shaping the lives of their children and influencing their development in profound ways. Here are some of the key reasons why parenting is vital for both children and the society. First, nurturing healthy individuals. Effective parenting provides children with a strong foundation for physical, emotional, and mental well-being. It involves meeting their basic needs, promoting a safe and secure environment, and fostering positive relationships. When children receive love, care, and guidance from their parents, they are more likely to grow into healthy and resilient individuals. The second reason, emotional and social skills. Parents have a significant impact on children's emotional and social development. Through warm and responsive parenting, children learn to regulate their emotions, build healthy relationships, and develop empathy and compassion. These skills enable children to navigate social interactions, contribute positively to their communities, and build fulfilling relationships throughout their lives. The third reason is of values and morality. As we all know, parents play a crucial role in instilling values, ethics, and moral principles in their children. By modeling ethical behavior and teaching moral standards, parents help children differentiate between right and wrong, make responsible decisions, and develop a strong sense of integrity. This foundation of values shapes children into individuals who uphold principles and contribute to the betterment of the society. The fourth reason, education and lifelong learning. Parents are a child's first and most important educators. They have a significant influence on their children's attitude towards education and lifelong learning. Through engagement, encouragement, and support, parents can foster a love for learning, inspire curiosity, and motivate children to pursue knowledge and personal growth. This foundation empowers children to become lifelong learners and active contributors to the society. The next important reason is the civic responsibility and citizenship. Effective parenting instills a sense of civic responsibility and encourages children to become engaged citizens. Parents can nurture qualities such as empathy, respect for diversity, and an understanding of social issues. By teaching children about their rights and responsibilities, as well as the importance of contributing to the community, parents help shape responsible and active citizens who work towards the betterment of society. The last, but not the least, of the reasons is breaking cycles and promoting equality. Positive parenting can help break cycles of intergenerational challenges such as poverty, abuse, and inequality. By providing a nurturing and supportive environment, parents can create opportunities for their children to thrive, irrespective of their socio-economic backgrounds. Investing in the well-being and development of children from diverse backgrounds fosters equality, social justice, and a more inclusive society. In summary, parenting is of paramount importance for the well-being of children and the larger society. Through their guidance, love, and support, parents shape the physical, emotional, intellectual, and moral dimensions of their children's lives by fostering healthy individuals, nurturing emotional and social skills, instilling values, promoting education, fostering civic responsibility, and breaking cycles of inequality. Parents contribute to the positive growth and development of their children, ultimately creating a stronger and more harmonious society. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you very soon on the next video of the series.